The role of a project manager in Agile. In Agile, the project manager is a servant leader. In one of the earlier videos, we discussed about servant leadership. It is about leaders becoming a servant first before leading others. So you become a leader by serving others. So service is the primary motive. So in the Agile environment, the project manager, because the title can be different. In Scrum, they are known as Scrum Masters. It can be Agile Coach. It can be Team Lead. So irrespective of the title, the person who is playing the role of a project manager in the Agile world, he or she must be a servant leader. So there is no room for command and control freaks. You have to be a contribution freak. So servant leader primarily helps others to come out with their best potential at the workplace, and over a period of time they create opportunities for others to grow professionally as well as personally. So all Agile project managers must be servant leaders. The servant leader responsibilities in an Agile environment: educate stakeholders about how and why of Agile. When a new team or a new organization switches to Agile, this is a new way of working, so it must be continuously evangelized or explained to others to really understand the cultural differences or the cultural shift required to be Agile. As a servant leader in the Agile environment, one must explain the benefits of business value, of improved quality, productivity, and prioritization. In the Agile environment, now we have a lot of ceremonies like planning meeting, stand-up meeting, iteration review meetings, and retrospectives. All these things are there. But then, based on my experience, the improved productivity and quality happens because of the overall development or the capability of the team. Because when a team works in the Agile environment, they get exposed to the various aspects of the job, and they get a lot of opportunities to rub shoulders with more experienced and more talented people by way of sprint planning, meeting, and stuff like that. So automatically their capabilities goes up, and we have this work volunteering instead of work allocation. That means if you are capable, you can go and pick up any complex task available. So sometimes the growth of the individual is not decided by the seniority, it is decided by the sheer capability of the individual. And when individuals grow, because in some of the previous videos we spoke about diversified teams, people with multiple skill sets coming together and working, and people with capabilities of multitasking. That means I may be a programmer, but then I may do coding as well. So it gives opportunities for people to specialize in multiple disciplines, and over a period of time, all these things contributes to the productivity. And in Agile teams, the peer pressure is also very, very high, because every day stand-up meeting, as a team member, I will have to explain what all things I did on the previous day to the rest of the team. That creates a lot of pressure on the team. It's a positive peer pressure. So all these things put together, it ends up, or it improves the productivity. So these things must be explained to the stakeholders very, very clearly. And support the team through mentoring, appreciation, and support. Lead teams by standing behind them. As a agile project manager, one of the key responsibilities is to remove the impediments or the issues faced by the team. There is a great opportunity to demonstrate commitment to the team by leading them from behind. Nurture and grow the team and help the team with technical project management activities. When we say technical project management activities, don't mistake it for technical activities. When we say technical project management activities, it can be better planning, better monitoring and control, better execution, better estimation, better root cause analysis using Ishikawa diagram, better Pareto analysis. So as a agile project manager, you can sometimes, very often, the team members may not be that experienced to know all these things. So apart from evangelizing agile, you can demonstrate the capability of the technical project management stuff. That is exactly what is available within PMBOK. So at the right opportunity, if you can demonstrate the capability of the right tools, that is a great opportunity to mentor and grow the rest of the team. And celebrate team success, whether it is a small success or a big success. Please be lavish in celebrations. It can be a sprint becoming successful. It can be a release becoming successful. It can be an outstanding performance by one of the team members, or it can be the product getting completed successfully, or great feedback from the customers. Celebrate them. So we need to budget for it, and once we have the budget, it becomes easier to plan out all these celebrations. Otherwise, what happens is, when you go and ask for money, very often the reply, at least I got, is, if you have budgeted for it, please use it. If you have not budgeted for it, it becomes very difficult. So as an agile project manager, during the time of planning itself, you may have to provide for motivational expenses like team outings, t-shirts for the team, cake cutting, all those things. So we need to budget for it. Role of the project manager in the agile environment: serving the team and the management. Project managers are servant leaders. Emphasis is on coaching people who want help, fostering greater collaboration, aligning stakeholder needs, and distribution of responsibility to the team. This is one key thing, the last bullet. Now, if you're transitioning from a traditional project manager to an agile project manager, in the traditional project management, you lead from the front, whereas in agile project management, you lead from behind. And you allow the team to make decisions, whereas in the conventional project management, as a project manager, you would have taken a lot of decisions by yourself. So here you should allow the team to make decisions. That is a different trip altogether. At the same time, I'm not asking you to leave all the decisions with the team. Give them opportunities to make decisions, and in case if it is a totally wrong decisions, or if they are unable to make decisions, then you may have to pitch in and help them to make those better decisions. All I'm saying is, you don't make the decisions up front. You wait and see how the team is deciding and proceeding. In case if they are proceeding towards danger, then you can interfere and mentor them and express your views. Again, you don't impose your views, you express your views and opinions. Others may, you should give the freedom for others to accept it or reject it. That's how it is. So that's about the roles and responsibilities of an agile project manager. Basically, it is a shift from command and control to servant leadership. As a servant leader, you serve the team and the stakeholders first, and automatically the control comes to you. You become a leader because you make a lot of good things, or you make a lot of emotional, a lot of deposits to the team by helping them to improve and function as a unit for the success of the project. At some point in time, you will command a lot of respect in the team, and automatically the agile project manager will become the leader of a highly competent, high productivity teams. Thank you very much, and if you have not subscribed to our channel yet, please do subscribe. And if you visit our website pmri.in, you will get more information about these topics. Thank you very much.